One of the biggest questions rental property owners face is whether to manage their property themselves or hire a professional. The right answer depends on time, risk tolerance, and how involved you want to be. Self-managing can work for some owners, especially at the beginning. But it also means handling everything yourself. Marketing, tenant screening, legal compliance, rent collection, maintenance coordination, and emergency calls. One mistake in pricing, screening, or legal notices can quickly cost more than you ever save. Professional property management is designed to remove that burden. At Stokley Properties, we handle the day-to-day operations while protecting your investment. From setting the right rental strategy and placing qualified tenants to enforcing lease terms and managing repairs, every step is handled with systems and experience. There's also the legal side to consider. Rental laws, fair housing regulations, and local ordinances are constantly changing. Staying compliant requires ongoing attention, and mistakes can lead to fines, disputes, or lawsuits. Time is another factor. Managing tenants, coordinating vendors, and responding to issues can quickly turn into a second job. Many owners don't realize how much time self-management actually takes until they're already overwhelmed. Hiring a professional isn't about giving up control, it's about gaining peace of mind. You still own the property and make key decisions, while the management company handles execution and oversight. And if you value your time, want to reduce risk, and expect consistent results, professional management may be the smarter long-term choice. Stokley Properties. Let us manage the details while you enjoy the benefits of ownership.